Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the activation error you might be receiving on your Windows 10 computer, that is basically on 0xc004f074. So this tutorial will be going over how to resolve this if you are legitimately using licensed version of Windows 10, meaning that if you are have cracked or using an illegal product, key not going to be shown you guys how to resolve that in this tutorial. So with that out of the way, we're going to jump straight into it, guys. Let's fix that. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now you need to type here S L M G R SLMGR space slash IPK space your product license key you need to add here. Hopefully be work around on how to activate your version of Windows 10. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Hopefully this will work. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Goodbye.